Same thing. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Slow her down. Good. You're going to squeeze your leg when you leave the ground. Good. Smooth hands. Just find it out of that. Oh, select. Good leg. No problem. That's fine. Keep going. We'll fix that. You're still giving in the air, remember. Slower. Decrease. Decrease. Good. Left rein. Sit up. Look, you can do it. Stay, keep going. Sit still. Let her. Give. Pull. Hands up. And stop. Straight.